Try artificial graphite sheets. The thermal conductivity is 3 times that of aerogel felt, as thin as paper and can be bent and pasted. After applying it to wearable devices and smart home products, the heat dissipates instantly. It is super resistant to aging, with thermal conductivity decay of less than 5% after 3 years, making it 3 times more durable than silicone pads, so there's no need for frequent repairs. The cost is only a quarter of silicon carbide. It cuts without fraying, making it very economical for bulk production for charging stations and small industrial equipment, solving heat dissipation problems across multiple scenarios at once. Don't miss out if you have heat dissipation needs.